Best black bean burger, guys. Stick around to find out the whole recipe so you can cook at home by yourself. So here I have the black beans. I have boiled these guys for a couple of hours. You can use the canned beans in there as well. So first of all, we will take a processor. You can smash these beans, but I'm using the processor. It's gonna make a lot of mess in there, but that's the part of the best recipe. So now we will just process it, not all the way because we want a little bit crunchy. See the little crunch? You can use the potato masher and you can mash these guys with the potato masher. But I use the processor. It's much easy job. So these are our mashed black beans. They are so sticky right now. So slicing a green onion right in there. So add the chopped onion, the green onion right in there. Add allspice. Allspice means these are 5 spices. Some black pepper, some red chili flakes. We have to add a little bit kick to it. I'm adding some garlic powder, some table salt, guys. Add the corn flour, tiny bit. Corn flour will give the nice crunch in there. So you have to add a little bit corn flour in there. Here we will just mix this guy with our hand. Add an egg in there. Egg will keep the whole mixture intact together, so you guys have to add the egg in there. After adding egg, again mix it. You can use a mixer for that as well if you guys don't want to use the hands, but best recipes do come from the hand though. Alright, so the mixture is ready. It's time to wash the hands. So here friends, make round patties. Make sure your oil is hot. Use the shallow oil, not deep fry, because deep fry will not help us. So here goes the first one. I mean, these days they have the machines which make the round patties. Just like that. And this is our final one, the last one. I'm making just 3 sandwiches. You guys can increase the quantity by amount, how many you guys want to make. So here goes the last one, and we will fry these guys 3 to 4 minutes each side. I got these beans raw, and I have, as I told you earlier, and I have boiled these guys with some garlic in there for at least 2 hours. So if you guys want to follow this way, you have to do this way, otherwise you can use the canned beans in there. So we will flip the patties just like that. As you guys can see, I'm using the wall to help me to flip the sides. So it's been a couple of minutes. I was cooking these guys on a high flame, and high flame did help us to keep the patties intact. So my suggestion is use the high flame for it. As you guys see, the patty is ready. So we will take it out right on the side. Wow. The corn flour helped the whole patty to be crispy. And remember the egg. Here I have bakery buns. We will slightly roast these buns in a butter. So in a different pan, we will add some butter. And take your bun, just put it right on top, just for a couple minutes. So that's how it's gonna be. So our buns are roasted, our patties are ready. Now we will build the burgers. We will add mayo in the base. Spread the mayo with the help of the spoon. Add some mustard. You can use honey mustard, but I'm using the regular mustard. Spread it with the help of the spoon. Add couple of sliced tomatoes and put your patty right on top. So this is the top part. We will add mayo, the first layer of mayo. Spread the mayo. I had some mustard on it, but that's fine. The spoon had some mustard on it, but it's okay. Add the greens. You can use spinach in there as well if you guys want, but add just regular cabbage greens. So here guys, we're gonna make a little bit spicy, so I'm adding a little bit sriracha on the patties. Adding some sliced onion right on top. This is the yellow onion. You can use red onion in there, but the yellow onion has more light crunch to it. I mean light onion flavor in there. I mean, if you guys don't like onions, then don't add onions. Simple. Here we will add the regular tomato sauce. I'm giving it a little bit flavor. I'm using the chili garlic one. It has more garlicky flavor in there. So now we all know. We will just flip these buns right on top of our burger. Take this and just put it right there. Friends, in a serving tray, we will add some cabbage at the bottom. Just like that. Or you guys can add fries in there as well, but I'm doing this vegetarian complete recipe, like a greenish recipe. So add that and place your beautiful bean burgers right on top. Beautiful bean burgers right on top. And here you go guys, the beautiful bean burgers are ready. So friends, the moment of truth. Wow. So I'm taking the first bite. Delicious. Beautiful. I mean, you can see the layers of the vegetables, and it's completely vegetarian burger, guys. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Do try this easy, simple black bean burger recipe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye for now.